Okay, so if you have to change a light bulb on a 67 Mustang in a tail light, it's kind of a pain in the butt. It's not that it's difficult, it's just very tedious. First, you have your chrome pieces, and there's 3 of them. And they have little bolts that you have to take off. Then, you can pull out the light from the back. And the light bulb actually doesn't come out from the back like in the modern cars. It comes up from the front. You have to take out the lens. So first you gotta remove this rubberized seal. Okay, so next you gotta pull this rubberized thing out. Okay, now you have couples Phillips screws over here. Okay, that should come out now. And there is your light bulb. You press it and turn it kind of clockwise to take it out. So since I'm already in here, sometimes you'll see a little bit like surface rust or it's just not shiny anymore. I like to go over with some sandpaper. Just clean up all the rust. Usually will be on the bottom because the water will drain on the bottom. Then I get a really shiny silver paint and I'm gonna paint this. But first I'm gonna cover the light. Okay, so we're gonna tape it or wrap it. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is just inside of the light, so no one really sees it. Then just spray it a little bit of that silver. And there you go. Okay, these lights kind of crack sometimes. We have a couple cracks over here. So if you don't want to buy a new one, I just put like a bead of super glue on it and wait till it dries. This way the crack shouldn't get any worse. And super glue is see-through, so it works. Okay, now that's all nice and shiny and pretty, you can reassemble. Okay, stick the black rubber in it. And on the back, this is your ground, so make sure that's connected. Put it back in and slap these in and tighten them on. And you're done. So a lot of screws for one little light bulb.